Okay, so now we want to talk about how you can download your thumbnail. So we are done editing our thumbnail and we want to download now. So you just come here to share, as you see here, and click on it. And when you want to share, you will see different options here to copy the link, but we want to download. So click on the download. The download has not started because we still need to do some settings. So you click here, the file type should be PNG because we are actually going to upload a PNG file on YouTube. Then the file size, if you want to set the file size, you can enter the file size here. Let's say 2000 kilobyte, that is 2 megabyte. 2000 kilobyte is 2 megabyte. So if you go to YouTube and you want to upload your thumbnail on YouTube, it will require that the thumbnail should be not more than 2 MB. So you can set the file size here, but if you're not sure of the file size, you may not need to worry. Just leave it empty, except if YouTube does not accept it, then you can come back here and set the file size and download it again. So if you want to compress it for a lower quality, you can click here. You want a transparent background, you can click here. Then if you are going to download it without selecting the pages, it's going to download everything. Remember, we have other pages here, but actually you want to download this particular page. So if you do not select the page that you want, the file will be compressed into a zip file, and then we don't want that. So we just want to download this particular one. So you can click on the drop down menu and then click on current page so that it can download this one only. Then click on done. After that, if you want to save this setting, you can click on save settings. So if you click on download, our file has started downloading. Then after some seconds, it has been downloaded. So it is here. All right. So remember to put your title page so that it will not go with the default title. You can just say my first thumbnail. Enter. So if you share again and you download it to go with the file name. So that is it. That is how you download your thumbnail for the best quality for your video. Thank you very much for watching.